Hello, I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain. Today we're doing a sump pump to drain install as well as a downspout to drain install. And now we're taking it out here to the main line and tying into our new line going out to the street. You want to prep the area, of course, and the first thing you need to do is put on a donut coming over this 1.5 inch pipe. This one I've modified. I've actually taken the lip off the bottom side of that donut. And you see that in there? There's a small lip. And I've just cut that out. You may be able to find this type of donut just about anywhere, or something similar. You don't have to cut off the lip of the donut. This is just how I started off, because I can slide that right on there, and that way if there's any movement after I'm done installing, if there's any settling going on, this is adjustable. So that's a really neat thing. And the next thing we want to do is go ahead and cut a piece of pipe that's going to fit in this area. This is a 4x3 reducer that goes onto the donut and then is going onto my 4-inch pipe. I'm using a regular wood saw to make my cuts and making it maybe a little bit long here right now, but I want to make sure it's not too short. A wood saw makes a very clean, at least straight cut. You have to burr the pipe a bit, take off any burrs. And let's see what we got here. Alright, I should be able to put that on there. And you don't need to glue this section right here on the top. And that's the first piece I'm going to put in. You can glue it. I like to leave these loose in case there's any issues with the sump in the basement, and this line inside breaks, just anything. Good reasons to just keep all this loose up here on the top. And I like to use OD glue. This one's blue. That's some nice color to it. See, this is all adjustable. Once again, it's good because if there's any settling going on, that'll leave room. You know how there's separation. People, you've seen the separation between the sump pump and the drain tile. That's why you're watching. Well, this helps resolve that issue. So I'm just going to cut a piece of pipe to fit between the 90s. Use my Live Long and Prosper measuring device. And it's not rocket science. You don't have to make exact measurements. They can usually be within about 1/4 inch, maybe even 1/2 inch. Burr that pipe. Generous amount of OD on there. And if you've done nice prep work, this doesn't take forever by any means to put together. The most important thing is to have downhill flow. That's all in there good and tight. We'll go ahead and head over here to the downspout. And again, this is all adjustable because I removed the little lip that's inside of this donut. Little lip, just take it off of there. Just saw it off. So I've got a T connection coming over here to the downspout drain, and I'm just lining that up with my sump pump drain. And then the 90-degree oval, so I'm going to make a cut for this length and for this one. So just going to glue it up here, piece at a time. You can see that that goes in all the way, and I've got a nice seal bond up here by the downspout. I'm going to go ahead and glue this one on as well. You can wait till you make your other cuts. Be sure to burr the pipe. That way you don't have anything catching on the side walls of your pipe coming down through the line when it's raining or if you have leaves or high trees. And just double check, make sure that your cut is the proper length. And if you get it right, it's all just going to fit right together. That's looking real good. Now we're ready for our extension up to the downspout. So this is a 2x3x4 spout adapter, and that's going to go on here first. And the pipe has to come up at least to the downspout. Excuse me, to the downspout. So we're going to cut it a little bit longer, make it about an inch or so longer, just for any settling that may occur here. One of the nice things about working with 4-inch pipe is you can put the pipe right up over top of the downspout. So you're able to cut it a little long. Doesn't have to be exact. And you see there it's about maybe an inch, inch and a half. This thing can go right up on there. And then we can put some glue on. Again, you don't need to put anything up top, just down here at the fitting. I've got a nice seal bond up here all around the house, foundation wall. We can continue on out with our pipe. So that's a sump pump to drain installation and a downspout to drain installation. I'm going to take care of the rest of this and call it a day. I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain, reminding you it's easy once you know how. Perfect. Nicely sealed. Alright, just starting to use the trencher here. I am just over 2.5 feet away from the gas line, and if I hear any weird noises, I do stop just to take a look at what's going on. What a cool find! It says it's a Derringer. Right here on ATL Solar Check and Atlantic Drain. Alright, I'm going to do a final test for power to the well pump, and all the power is coming from the big red solar pavilion, all solar powered workshop. This thing's capable of 800 watts per hour on a good sunny day. So, oh yeah, that's the root. Quite a bit of root infiltration here. Roof buttons, shingle plastic where the glue is on the shingles. All right, we're going to go back up that line one more time.